Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming speaker specs and the system's output compatibility so you avoid damage. Once done, power off the device and ground yourself to prevent static shocks. Next, identify the speaker header or amplifier terminals on the board and compare the connector type to your cable. Make sure to have a multimeter and basic tools ready. This prevents guesswork when you test continuity. Begin by aligning pins and preparing the cable or connector for the first secure connection. You now make the actual electrical connection while keeping polarity correct, red or marked lead to plus, and black or unmarked to minus or ground. If soldering, strip 3 to 5 millimeters, tin the wire, and heat briefly for a clean joint. If using crimp or terminal blocks, ensure the conductor is fully seated and tightened. Once connected, visually inspect and gently tug each connection to confirm mechanical security, because a loose contact causes intermittent sound or damage during power cycles. You finish by powering the system on at low volume and observing behavior. Listen for clean audio, hiss, or distortion. Make sure to measure DC offset or expected speaker drive voltage with a multimeter and check continuity to rule out open circuits. If sound is absent, first recheck polarity and look for insulation shorts. Folded strands or stray solder can bridge signals. If problems persist, swap the speaker or cable to isolate the fault. This one targeted test usually reveals whether the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.